Saint Valentine's Day, celebrated around the world, the day when most people have opportunity to show their feelings. We buy red roses, heart-shaped chocolate boxes, perfumes, and of course, Valentine's Day cards. The situation is not different in the embedded world systems. At MikroElektronika, we try to show the people that we love, that we care about them.
You know, Valentine's Day is just around the corner.
Well, you know, I'm not romantic at heart.
But I am. I was working on a few projects, so I just thought to make you a little something with this OLED-C clipboard.
Okay, nice color.
You can keep it on your desk.
Okay, I will take it, but only because I like OLED-C click very much, and not because you gave it to me.
Of course.
I thought I need more light in my office, so I made this.
A huge heart on RGB panels? That's so sweet.
No, it's not sweet. It's cool and practical.
Did you maybe make it for me?
Okay, maybe I did, but only because you gave me OLED-C click with heart on it.
What click did you use?
Matrix RGB click and also 4 RGB panels.
I like it, it's very nice. But I'm going to think of something even better. Just give me a few hours, okay?
Okay.
RGB panels are great, I must admit, and I like your project, but I made you a portable gift.
Please tell me it's a box of chocolate.
No, it's not, but it's better.
It's Micromedia 7 with heart on it.
Come on, I even put a frame on it. You can put it on your desk.
I'm joking. It's pretty sweet, you know. I think I'm gonna put some images of us in there and make it into a digital frame.
That's so romantic, boy.
Yes, it is. Okay, after all of the excitement about Valentine's Day, I think we should check our heart rate now.
Definitely, yes.
Okay, Biljana, what did you make for us here?
I made a project using EasyMX Pro for STM32 and one of our heart rate clipboards, heart rate 4, and I also used MikroPlot to measure the readings of the heart rate.
Can I try it?
Yeah, sure, just put a finger on a sensor.
All the products used in this video are linked below.
Check our website, we have a special treat for you.
And happy Valentine's Day!